Hello everybody, I'm back with an updated video on my Pac-Man machine. In my previous video, I was explaining how the sound on this machine was not working, but it ended up being a simple fix. I took the machine apart and I noticed that the speaker wire was tucked way up into the top of the machine and had never been plugged into the CPU. So I'm glad I did that because I ordered another motherboard thinking it was a motherboard issue, and now when it arrives I'm gonna have to send it back to get my money back. But anyway, I'm gonna show you now that it works. I'm gonna fire it up. Like I mentioned in my last video, it's got several different games on it. It's got well, first I'm gonna let you hear the sound. Okay, get this thing to load up. Okay, we have Pac-Man, Galaga, I think I'm pronouncing that right. Pac-Land, Super Pac-Man, Pac-Mania, Pac-and-Pal, Pac-Man Plus, and regular Pac-Man. All the games are listed down here that are on the machine. This actual machine can be bought on online stores, Amazon, eBay. You can even buy them at Walmart. Some stores have them in stock. They just come in a big box. You have to put them together. And if the stand was, if the machine was not on this riser stand, it would be a lot shorter. But they sell these riser stands at Walmart also for extra. They're like $35, $35, $39, something like that. Worth it though, because it makes the machine taller. I'm just glad I got the sound to work, because I was afraid I was going to have to spend out a lot of money to have it fixed. But I'm going to show you guys now that it's working. The volume is all the way up to 15 and it's really loud. So we're going to go with regular Pac-Man. Hit start game. And you can skip all this stuff showing you who is who. Shadow, Speedy, Bashful, Pokey. I'm gonna turn the volume down because okay guys, I'm not the best at Pac-Man. I mainly bought this machine for my kids to play. See there, I'm already gone. I've got one life left on the first level. But then again, it's a lot easier to play when you're not trying to record, so. Game over. Okay, but turn the volume down all the way so I can talk about the machine a little bit more. But like I said, it's a Pac-Man arcade 1-up machine. Move the stool out of the way. As you can see, I'd say it's about 5 feet tall. Without the riser at the bottom, it's about 4.5, 4 feet and 1 inch, I believe. I think that's right. But with the riser, it makes the machine about 5 feet tall. As opposed to this claw machine, which is 78 inches tall. Kids love to play the claw machine. They have no idea about this one yet. they're going to be excited because they love to play Pac-Man on their tablets and their phones and stuff like that. And when they find out that they have an actual machine now in the house, they're going to love it. I may have to find somewhere else to hang this traffic light. Haven't decided on that yet. Claw machine's still good and working. I need to clean it. I also need to clean off the screen and the control panel on this machine. It got a little dirty when I was taking it apart, but I'm glad that I found out what the sound issue was. It was simply the speaker wire that plugs into the CPU was tucked in to the top of the machine, and I couldn't find it until I took the machine apart, and I found it, and I'm like, there it is, okay. And I saw where to plug it in, and then it started working. So I'm glad about that. So if you have any issue, if you have one of these machines and the sound stops working, or if the sound does not work, let me know and I can help you try to get it back going. I can do a tutorial or whatever I need to do to help you out. But that's it, I guess, on the Pac-Man machine. I'll try to play some more games on it for you guys later. I'm not really good at gaming. I just, you know, got this thing for my kids. They enjoy to play, you know, they enjoy playing Pac-Man and old style 80s games, retro games, what I call them. And they love claw machines, and that's why I got them this claw machine. It's still working good. I'll put a credit on here, and while we're here, go for Mr. Alligator here, or Dinosaur, or whatever he is. I think he's a dinosaur. I'm not sure. But anyway, that's the video on the updated video on the Pac-Man machine. I'm glad I got the sound working. I know I keep saying that, but it saved me a lot of money because that soundboard was going to be, or that new CPU board was going to be about $179. That was before shipping and tax. So when he gets here, I'll just send it back and say that wasn't the issue. Shouldn't have a problem getting a refund. But anyway, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, leave me a comment. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do so. I would really appreciate it. I don't make money off these videos or anything. I do it just for fun, just a hobby. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Stay tuned. Got more game videos coming up and more carnival ride videos coming up. I plan to set up this whole carnival one of these days pretty soon, and got plenty of space out here on the floor to set up another carnival. So it's about carnival season anyway, so I may do that next. I'm not sure, but anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go. Thanks for watching. And like I said, if you haven't subscribed, do so. I'd really appreciate it. I like interacting with you guys and helping out as much as I can. Until next time, take care, and thanks for watching.